Is your Samsung oven showing error codes? This video explains what the DC and C-d0 codes mean and how to fix them. You can also find these solutions in your user manual. First, let's look into the error code DC. The DC code appears when the divider is inserted or removed while the oven is set to the wrong mode. Use the divider with the dual cook mode only. Do not use the divider as a shelf. For example, do not remove the divider when the oven is set to double cook mode. Removing the divider will trigger the DC error. And for single cook mode, do not use the divider. Simply put, the DC error appears when the divider setting doesn't match the selected cooking mode. Insert or remove the divider according to your cooking mode. If the error remains, turn off the oven and restart it. Next, let's look into the error code C-d0. This code appears when a button on the control panel is held pressed for an extended period. If no button is being pressed, the cause may be moisture or residue on or around the panel. Wipe the control panel gently to remove any moisture or residue. Let it dry completely. In summary, to prevent this error, avoid pressing and holding buttons for too long and keep the control panel free from moisture and residue. The DC and C-d0 codes are not system failures. They can usually be fixed with these simple checks. Restart the oven if the error codes do not clear. If the oven does not restore to normal operation, contact Samsung service for professional assistance.